79 bike just got delivered, y'all. Man, just pulled up, delivered it. There it go. Finally here, man. Finally here. Barely got in the room in my garage to put it in, but I'm gonna be making a video. Well, I'm gonna be finishing this video off with me putting it together and everything. But right now, I was just, showing y'all it being delivered. I'm super excited about it. I know if you like me, your first time getting one. I've been watching every YouTube video about it, so. But I'm gonna get back with y'all. Just got the straps off. Here go the big reveal. I got the all black, y'all. I got the all black one. I got the all black. Say use that as a stand, so I'm gonna use this as a stand. All the YouTube videos I don't watch, I should be able to put this thing together no problem, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh, I've been waiting for this, man. I was waiting so long. I was about to return it, bro, because I was just getting irritated. Big old mess right here. So I got all this stuff off. I'm gonna come right back to y'all, man. I'm gonna come right back to y'all. Yeah, man, this thing is beautiful, bro. Oh man, gotta be careful. I ain't trying to tear it up. Put no scratches on it. So put no scratches on it. Yeah. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna come back. All the accessories. I'm being so careless. I'm just. It's all the stuff you need. Got everything. Foot pegs. Tools. Alright. Little stuff. Little something in there. This is all the tools you're gonna need right here. There's something in there. Foot peg. I guess this gonna be the battery charger. Yep, the battery charger. Y'all all seen this before. If you watch these videos, y'all seen this before. I'm gonna get that to my son. It's a nice look. It's nice. Sure. Just showing y'all how far I done came putting it together, man. It's been a little rough when you're by yourself, but I love it, man. It's all black. It's so beautiful, bro. Like I said, this is my first electric dirt bike. I got a couple electric scooters. And this gonna be my first YouTube video too, so bear with me, bro. And the name of my YouTube channel is Let's Ride. So yeah, man, I'm liking this 79. It's gonna be my first bike. I've been hearing a lot of good stuff about it. I watched a lot of YouTubers and a lot of videos on it. So man, I'm just super excited, bro. It's a beautiful bike. I'm gonna do some upgrades and all the upgrades and stuff, but right now I'm just trying to get it together. I'll be back with you. Finally got it together, guys. That was some work, man. My wife showed up to help me out a little bit. Taking all the stickers off right now. The battery charging. Yeah, man, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this thing. A lot of fun with this thing here, bro. It is nice. I'm taking them gray stickers off right here. I'm gonna peel these off. I don't like that. I'm peeling them off. It's gonna be all black. It's beautiful, man. Man, it's beautiful. I'm happy about my choice. I was finna try to get a Sunrun, but there was a little bit more expensive. This was a little cheaper, but I heard this one got a little bit more wattage. I heard it's like 10,000 kilowatts, and the Sunrun was 8,000 kilowatts. So, and I heard it do 56, but most people say they got them up to 60 miles per hour once you go in and set your settings. Yeah, but man, I'm gonna get back with y'all once the battery charged, and I'm gonna calibrate it, show y'all how I calibrate it, how I learned. Like I said, I've been watching YouTube channels for YouTube videos on this bike for like three weeks now, waiting on it. Almost to the point where I was getting tired of waiting. I was about to just say I ain't want it no more. But yep, it's here, man. I'm happy about it. I love the black. Beautiful. Finally put together, man. Look beautiful. I took all them stickers off. I wanted the black, man. Yeah, bro, I'm happy, super happy about this, man. Can't wait to ride it. The battery charging, man. But yeah, man, once I get a chance to put the battery in and roll it on out, man, I'll get back with y'all, man. I just wanted to show y'all my 79 bike, bro. It's the Pro version. And that thing sit big too. I thought it was gonna sit like a little kid bike, but it sit like a big boy. I'm loving it. What's up, y'all, man? Just finishing this video off with the Falcon Pro. I already took it for a ride, man. I took it for a ride the other day. I just couldn't help it. My camera wasn't charged at the time, so I couldn't get the video. So I'm gonna take a quick ride. Man. Give y'all another video, cause there's a couple videos out there on this bike, but I just want to give y'all my video. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in drive. I like to take off in drive, man. Give y'all a little quick video. I have to charge it up. I want to test it out, because the highest speed I got up was to like 48 miles per hour, and I was going on the I googled it, and they said turn off the brake sensors and turn off all the sensors, and it'll take it out of limp mode or something. So I just wanted to see for myself if I can get it up over 48. So I'm finna put it in sport mode right now and see what happens. Hey, whoa! Y'all probably hear a lot of wind behind in the background, but listen, that worked, bro. I went to the app and I turned the So when I first drove it, the first time I rode it, I couldn't get it to go out of 48. So I went on and Googled it, and a couple guys said go into the app and turn off the brake sensor mode, and then turn off the it's called fall sensor. So I turned them off, and I turned those modes off, and now my bike is doing, I just got up to 55 just then, and I could have kept going. It's crazy, man. What a big difference. But with that being said, man, I just want to just give y'all a quick ride. You know, I'm gonna be making more videos, and this is my first video, so it's probably gonna kind of suck, but I just want to give y'all a little quick video, man, you know, on my e-bike, on my 79 Falcon Pro. You know, I've seen a lot of videos, so yeah, man. So I get back with y'all. Let's ride.